Here's how to change your Costco account email and password. First, open up any web browser and head over to Costco.com. Make sure to log into your account, then click on the account option. Here, click on the option of account details. Now locate your current email address, then click on the edit option. Now, in order to change your email address, you will first have to verify your current email address. For that, click on Send Verification Code. Now open your mail, copy the verification code and paste it over here. After that, you will be able to change your email address. Go ahead and enter your new email address here. Then you want to click on the option of Update. As you can see, your email address has been successfully changed. You will be logged out of your account, so go ahead and log back in. Once you have been logged back in, now to change your password, click on the account option again. Then from this menu, select account details. Now you want to locate your password, click on the edit option. You will again have to verify your email address, so click on the Send Verification Code option. Go to your mail and copy the verification code, then paste it over here. After that, you will be able to change your password. For that, enter your new password, enter it one more time to confirm. Then you want to click on the option of Update. As you can see here, it says your password has been changed as well. In this way, you can easily change your email address and password on Costco. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.